He's speaking out, he says, because Manulife Bank customers need to know.
It's honestly terrifying.
For almost a decade, he says, Manulife Bank of Canada didn't properly protect millions of pieces of customer information stored in a database employees nicknamed Data Barn. Things like customer names, addresses, credit card numbers, and social insurance numbers. Personal data, the insider says, wasn't properly secured, could have ended up in the wrong hands if taken off-site. Someone else is reading his words.
They could use it to steal your identity. They could open up a line of credit in your name, get credit cards in your name, sell the information to someone else, and there's no way to ever know if it happened.
As concern over Data Barn started to bubble up in 2020, almost a decade after the database was created, the company began an internal review. It led to this report. Some key findings. Credit card numbers were discovered unmasked, so employees who shouldn't see all 16 numbers could. Employees were sending unencrypted emails containing customers' private information. There was no way to track how data was being handled. Customer info was being stored on laptops.
When I hear that it is a large organization, an established organization of that magnitude, and an organization that can affect many Canadians, it really is concerning and shocking, quite frankly, to hear that.
This data ethicist says big privacy issues in large corporations like Manulife can erode customer confidence.
A company that has been entrusted with caring for that information on behalf of Canadians really should be taking these matters very, very seriously.
The insider was part of a group that sought solutions, but he says upper management didn't think fixing Data Barn was urgent.
We should not be waiting for there to be a data breach before there's action. There's a number of different things that ought to have been done here, and it doesn't appear that they have been done according to the report.
A spokesperson from Manulife declined our interview request. In a written statement, Manulife said action was taken immediately after concerns were first raised to confirm the safety of customer information and further restrict internal access. The company says the database meets or exceeds regulatory requirements for privacy. Manulife also said there was never any evidence customer information had been misused. The company did not provide a clear answer when asked how a lack of information means it can be sure no harm occurred. Erica Johnson, CBC News, Vancouver.